Why I believe there's a lack of inventory in the Ottawa market. There's a few reasons. First, we have the baby boomers. Before, in a normal market, they'd be selling their two-story homes for $750, downsizing into the bungalow for $550 to $600, make that little equity, and they'd be very happy. But what's happening now is that these bungalows are going anywhere from $650 to $750 themselves. So they're not making as much money selling their two-story places. So from what I've gathered, they might as well stay in those bigger places with a little more space. So that's one of the reasons. Second, people in the mid-house range, looking to upgrade and to get a bigger place, but the only problem is they might be able to sell their townhouse or small bungalow for the $570 to $675, but to go anywhere, it's going to cost them $750 to $900, and that's a big jump to make. So that's another reason why I'm seeing very little movement, is that they're afraid to sell their home. I'm in the same situation myself. I would like a bigger place, and although the interest rates are still low, that jump into that next bigger place is substantial. So that's really making things complicated and sort of, stopping people from listing their home. So that's number two. Number three, seniors that would be usually considering moving into a retirement residence. Obviously, right now with COVID and the problems in some of the homes, is that they're sort of holding back and trying to stay in their homes as long as they can. So again, this contributes to a lack of inventory in the market, and which is driving the prices up. So until obviously the pandemic runs its course, we're going to see that demographics as well staying in their homes and not listing. Fourth, the buyers, the banks are approving new buyers generously. Obviously, with the low interest rates, the borrowing power has gone up a little bit, and more young people, with pensions going down the wayside, they're putting more importance on owning assets. So, there's a lot of people trying to jump into the housing market, and, that's also creating a problem. Basically, what I'm seeing is unless there's people really selling to move out of the city or to rent, there's very little movement. So that's why I believe that, there's a lack of inventory. And honest to God, there's so much desperation in the market. You're seeing places that are going up 20 to 30 points from they were in the fall. This is February 2021. So, there's tons of desperation. Comps are going out the wayside. They mean nothing because things are going $70,000, $80,000 over the last comp. So these are just a few of the reasons why I think there's a lack of inventory in Ottawa. And, until, things change a little bit, I don't see it changing, in the next few months. I don't foresee any changes because there's just that many buyers out there and so lack of inventory. So if you have any questions on the real estate market in Ottawa, please contact the DiSalvo Real Estate Group, Michael or Mark, and we'd be happy to help you out. Good luck.